You look at the quality of the product itself. Now this is the M3 series. This is our economy series here, and most of our competition has the white liner. It looks like plastic. It cracks, it breaks easy, and that type of thing. This is actually a clear coat aluminum in here, but to me it looks like stainless. It's pretty sharp looking. And then of course you have the rounded corners and all that. You have a whole open door feature. Rather than downsizing our compressors to meet the Energy Star codes, which is what some folks have done, and the problem with what they run into is when summer hits and you get the hot kitchens or hot dollar stores or whatever you're in with these or any of this stuff, then they don't have the BTU capacity to do the pull downs like they need to when the temperatures start rising, 85 and 90 degrees in some of these locations, which happens. So what we did is, rather than downsizing the compressors to meet the Energy Star codes, is we put this little chip in there, and basically what that does, it cuts the fans on and off and allows us to save 30% in energy, but we still got the BTU capacity where we need it. So that's a nice feature that we've got that the other guys don't. So these glass door merchandisers have those chips in them as well. In addition to that, looking at those type of features, on all these units as well, you can run an internet cord to the back, the top of this unit. You can plug this thing in, and it actually monitors it for warranty situations, and whoever's email you plug in there, it will email them if there's a service issue. And it would tell them what type of service issue it is, so they can inform their parts person. So rather than making multiple trips, because he doesn't have the right parts on his truck, he can take the right parts. So I wanted to make you aware of that. Now, on both of our freezers, we have something that's unique in the Super Deluxe and also our standard TGF series. What we did is, over the years, we've heard a lot of complaints on self-contained noise on the glass door merchandisers. Because you lose some of the capacity, cooling capacity out the door, you have to kind of upsize your refrigeration versus a solid door. So what we had done is, we went in with 2 1-horse units, whereas our competition has 1.5 horsepower condensing system. And when we did that, they use an exterior compressor, we're using an interior compressor, meaning that ours is quieter anyway, and being smaller, they're quieter. Ours have foam that's actually blown in the compressor compartment, so it's a little quieter that way as well. So what happens is, if one of those compressors were to fail, then the other one would pull the load for a couple of days while you get the compressor replaced without losing a product load. And that's on both of our 3-door freezers. Additionally, on both of our glass door freezers model lines, the Super Deluxe and the TGF Standard Series, we have a turbo freeze mode in those, like the Turbo Chill in the Super Deluxe Series, in that you can push the button and it'll run the compressors at the lowest set point. We're not holding it to any point. And on the 3-door, at the NRA show, we tested that, and I pushed the button and we just timed it to see what it would do. And we brought the temperature down from -15 to -40 in the 3-door unit within 15 to 20 minutes. Super Deluxe Series, 2-year parts and labor warranty again, and LEDs in the interior of the compartment, LEDs on the lighted sign as well. The TGF series has LEDs, and those as a standard as well. And again, they just were approved for Energy Star 2. We just got approvals on those. So this would be like our economy line on that. But again, you have all those features. You've got dual compressors in the 3-door. You have LEDs, and you have the turbo freeze option. The turbo freeze mode, it's not an option, it comes standard. So the other thing that we do too is we put a hold open door feature on all the glass door merchandisers, and it also has an alarm just like the Super Deluxe Series does as well.